Today in AI and cybersecurity, a warning that extremists are reportedly using chatbots. Meta reverses an AI image feature after deepfake backlash. Microsoft pushes secure by design work, and AI-assisted bug hunting gets another proof point. The main takeaway: AI is no longer just a productivity tool. It is becoming part of consumer life, security operations, abuse prevention, and vulnerability research at the same time. First, the most serious story. TechMeme summarized a New York Times report saying members of Boko Haram are using AI chatbots to brainstorm attacks and work on weapons-related tasks. This briefing will not include methods, prompts, materials, or operational details. The defensive point is broader and important. General-purpose AI can lower friction for harmful planning if platforms, governments, and organizations do not invest in abuse detection, safety evaluation, and reporting paths. For builders, that means red team testing cannot stop at obvious banned words. For businesses, it means acceptable use monitoring, rate limits, account risk signals, and escalation workflows are part of AI deployment. For everyday users, it is a reminder that helpful technology can be misused, and that safety features are not just public relations. Second, TechCrunch reported that OpenAI is hiring for product work focused on families, caregivers, and older adults as ChatGPT moves deeper into households. That sounds consumer-friendly, but it also changes the risk model. A chatbot used by one adult is different from a household AI that may touch children, health-adjacent questions, family schedules, memories, documents, and caretaking routines. The opportunity is real: accessibility, reminders, education, and simpler technology support. The governance burden is also real: privacy defaults, consent between family members, parental controls, data retention, and clear boundaries about what the assistant can and cannot do. Third, Meta turned off an Instagram-related AI image feature after backlash. The Verge and TechCrunch reported that the feature let users generate AI images involving public Instagram accounts, and that Meta removed or disabled it after criticism. The lesson is not that generative images are going away. The lesson is that likeness and consent are now core product requirements. If a system can create a realistic or suggestive image of a real person, public availability of a profile does not automatically mean meaningful consent. For creators and brands, this is also a trust issue. AI tools that feel fun in a demo can become reputation and harassment problems at scale. Fourth, Microsoft published its July 2026 Secure Future Initiative Progress Report, emphasizing secure foundations, AI-powered defense, and future-ready cybersecurity. The important trend is that major vendors are treating security as an engineering operating model, not only a response team. Secure foundations mean identity hygiene, default protections, tenant isolation, secret handling, build pipeline integrity, and reliable logging. AI-powered defense can help triage alerts and find patterns, but it only helps if the underlying telemetry is trustworthy and the organization can act on it. Fifth, Microsoft also analyzed GigaWiper, described as a destructive backdoor assembled from multiple malware capabilities, including wiping and ransomware-like behavior. The Defender takeaway is simple: do not plan for neat threat categories. Modern incidents can include espionage, extortion, disruption, and destruction in the same campaign. Backups must be isolated and tested. Endpoint monitoring should look for unusual file operations, privilege escalation, remote execution, and attempts to disable recovery. Incident playbooks should include the possibility that the goal is not payment but operational damage. Sixth, Ars Technica reported on a Windows Defender zero-day patch controversy where a fix could allow attackers to fill a hard disk. Without getting into exploit details, this is a useful reminder that patching is essential, but patch management is a process. Security teams need staged rollouts where possible: health telemetry, disk monitoring, rollback options, and communication channels for users. The right answer is not to ignore patches. The right answer is to patch with visibility. Seventh, Wired reported that AI helped find a Linux root bug that had reportedly been missed for 15 years. That is one of the more constructive AI security angles of the week. AI systems can help researchers search old code, form hypotheses, and notice patterns humans may overlook. But the final mile still matters: reproducing the bugs safely, understanding impact, coordinating disclosure, reviewing patches, and verifying that a fix does not create new problems. AI can accelerate security research, it does not remove engineering accountability. Finally, NVIDIA said Nematron 3 Ultra showed benchmark-leading performance with the LangChain Deep Agents harness, while TechMeme highlighted Indeed analysis suggesting U.S. software development job postings on Indeed rose around 15% since Claude Code launched in February 2025, even as overall postings fell. Put together, the picture is nuanced. Agent tools are improving quickly, but organizations still need developers to integrate them, secure them, review their output, and connect them to real business systems. The safest strategy is not panic and not blind adoption. It is capability plus control. Use AI agents where they save time, restrict their permissions, log their actions, and keep humans accountable for high-impact decisions. Bottom line, today's AI news is really security news. Chatbot abuse, family AI, deepfakes, destructive malware, patch reliability, vulnerability discovery, and coding agents all point to the same operating principle: powerful AI needs strong product design, strong monitoring, and strong human responsibility.